Hi, my name is Clara Bubenzer. I'm a Gourmet Egypt culinary consultant, and today I'm going to show you how to make a roasted chicken with our premium vegetables from Gourmet. So basically what I'll be doing today is making a bed of roasted veggies, carrots, potatoes, tomatoes, onions and fresh herbs, and shove some lovely herbed butter underneath the skin. So we're going to start peeling the veg. Look at the stunning colors inside. And next, the onions. Next, let's do the potatoes in half. Yum! Next, the cherry tomatoes. Add a lovely sauce to the actual dish because they pop due to the heat, and then let the beautiful juices run right into the dish. Now I'm going to add some rosemary and just take it off of the stem, simply like this. Lovely, sort of nutty almost. It took me quite a long time to find a good chicken product that I can trust and that I know that I can use straight away without having to wash it or clean it. With Gourmet Egypt, this has been solved. It's hormone-free, it's antibiotic-free. Other item that I'm going to use today to make it even better is the herb butter, also available at Gourmet. We make it ourselves. It's got fresh lemon rind, fresh herbs, a bit of chili in it, black pepper, really lovely product. I'm going to slice off a couple of slices. I'll keep it in the fridge or in the freezer and just remove what you need. So to make this butter fit underneath the skin, you simply take this and just gently lift off the skin from the actual meat like that and move them down. Try and get some into these cavities down here. As easy as that. Ta-da! Next up, take 1 or 2 limes or lemons and some red onion. I'm just going to stuff it into the actual cavity. There we go. A little bit of thyme, all into the cavity to really make sure we get a lot of flavor, and that's the chicken. A little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper to make the skin nice and crispy. Molten salt and black pepper. Now let's give these lovely veggies a drizzle of olive oil and some salt to make everybody shine and be happy. Don't be scared of using molten salt, that I can say. I think every chef in the world will tell you that. I'm going to toss this, make sure everything's coated, add the chicken on top, and there we go. Make sure all of its friends come along, and into the oven. It's been an hour and about 10 minutes and my chicken is ready. So let me show you what it looks like. Dinner is served. See? There. The wonderful thing about the herb butter is that it really gets into the flesh and the meat and it tastes delicious with Gourmet.